Hi guys, yep, this is a job site table saw, an old one I had. I make some adjustment, minor adjustment, so I can use it battery at home. It's on off switch. Nothing fancy, and just seal this dust collector. Not really a dust collector, but yeah, it's pretty useful for me. Works perfect. This is just a cheap job site table saw. I put wheels to the table so I can move around. Yeah, pretty good. Maybe you have some idea. You make some idea out of it. If you have a cheap one. Okay, have a nice day.